The 2015 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, Bluetooth, cruise control, anti-theft security system, passenger airbag, MP3 player, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, center console, daytime running lights, tachometer, cargo area light, vanity mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.